Thanks for joining. In this lesson we will practice with basic math and operators. We will see how the math and operators work in JavaScript. If you have any questions or need clarification along the way, feel free to comment below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons like this. Let's jump right in and start learning. In the previous lesson I explained code comments, semicolons and statements. Now in this lesson we will discuss math with unary, binary and operators, so get ready for an exciting lesson. Let's start with math. I don't want to emphasize the importance of math in JavaScript solely because JavaScript adheres to standard math rules like plus, minus, division, multiplication, remainder, exponentiation, or power. JavaScript provides all standard arithmetic operators for mathematical calculations. The order of operators in JavaScript, the standard mathematical conventions, and parentheses can be used to override the default order. Mathematical operations are an essential aspect of programming, and JavaScript provides built-in math functions and operators to perform a wide range of mathematical calculations, such as data manipulation and calculations, data validation, algorithm implementation, graphics and visualizations, game development, financial calculations, analysis, cryptography, security, and other. So math is an integral part of JavaScript programming. While JavaScript follows standard math rules, it is important to understand the remainder operator and its applications. The remainder operator serves several purposes, including checking divisibility and determining whether a number is even or odd. It's frequently used in cycling behaviors and various JavaScript operations. To illustrate its usage, let's consider the example of dividing 10 by 3, and it cannot be evenly divided. By subtracting 1 from 10, we get 9, so 9 can be evenly divided by 3, leaving a remainder of 0. Now we need to subtract now from the initial value of 10, and we get 1, so remainder is 1. Similarly, when dividing 15 by 6, subtracting 1 repeatedly results in 12 being divisible by 6 without any remainder, while the difference between 15 and 12 is 3. The remainder operator is commonly employed in JavaScript programming due to its versatility and relevance to various scenarios. And we are moving on to unary, binary, and operand. Binary refers to operations or operators that involve two operands or inputs. It performs an operation or calculation using two operands and produces a result. Examples of binary operators in JavaScript include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and comparison operators like greater than or less than. In an expression involving a binary operator, the operator is applied between two operands to compute a value. Unary refers to operations or operators that involve a single operand or input. Unary operators perform an operation on a single operand and produce a result. Unary plus, unary minus, increment and decrement. Unary operators can also be used to convert a value's sign, increment or decrement a value, or perform other specific operations on a single value. An operand is a value or expression that an operator operates on. Operands can be literals, variables, or the result of other expressions. In a binary operation such as addition or subtraction, there are two operands, the left operand and the right operand. The left operand is typically on the left side of the operator, and the right operand is on the right side. In a unary operation, there is only one operand, and the operator is applied directly to that operand. Operands can be used to perform calculations, comparisons, assignments, or other operations based on the behavior of the operator being used. A binary operation involves two components. First, there should be an operand on both sides, with the operator in the middle. Let's see some code. In the first example, multiplication, we have the operands 2 and 3, and the operator is the multiplication symbol. Similarly, in the left divide example, we are dividing 6 by 3. Here we have the operands 6 and 3, and the operator is the division symbol. Moving on to unary operations, consider the let negation example, where we set the value to 10. In the next line, we use the expression minus negative. This expression refers to 10 with the negation, so we are essentially saying minus 10. The result will be the negation of 10. Unary operations involve one operand and one operator. In this case, the operand is 10 and the operator is the minus sign. Let's proceed with the let increment example. Here we set the value to 5. Using the plus plus operator, we increment the number by 1. So plus plus operator will increment the number by 1. Here a and b are referred to as operands, which are the values of expressions that an operator operates on. In this case, they are both numeric operands. The line let sum equal a plus b demonstrates the use of the binary operator plus. The plus operator is binary operator because it requires two operands to perform the addition operation. It takes the values of a and b and performs the addition operation on them. The result of the addition operation is stored in the variable sum. In this case, sum will have the value of 8, which is the sum of a and b. Finally, console log sum outputs the value of sum, which will be 8 in this case. At the conclusion of each lesson, I highly encourage you to complete the assignments, as they will greatly contribute to your progress in JavaScript. By consistently practicing, you will see faster results in your learning journey. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great coding content. Stay updated with the latest videos by ringing the notification bell. Happy coding!